In front of a bronze statue of Yuan Longping, scores of African visitors planted hybrid rice seedlings in memory of the father of hybrid rice. The delegates to the second forum on China-Africa cooperation in agriculture visited the Paddy Field National Park in Sanya, China's Hainan, on Tuesday. 4 years ago, when attending the first forum on China-Africa cooperation in agriculture in Sanya, Yuan Longping expressed the hope that hybrid rice could be developed in various African countries and solve food security problems in Africa.
我希望我们杂交水稻为非洲国家的粮食安全做出新的贡献。
Yuan passed away in 2021, yet his dream lives on. With the efforts of many Chinese agricultural research institutions and agricultural enterprises, Chinese hybrid rice is now growing in more than 20 African countries.
Yuen Longping, c'est vraiment une icône de la riziculture et nous avons vu que grâce à son intervention, nous avons pu avoir des variétés hybrides de riz qui vont jusqu'à 18 tonnes. Et normalement, grâce à ces technologies-là, nous devons pouvoir travailler à éradiquer la faim au niveau du Burkina Faso et plus encore de l'Afrique.
Rice is our staple food. However, we are importing over 75%. Currently, we have the China Aid project of Agricultural Technical Assistance Phase 1 and Phase 2. The project is extremely meaningful and has started to make life-changing activities for our agricultural sector and our farmer population. Through this project, our Chinese counterparts have introduced hybrid seeds that have yield up to 10.8 tons per hectare in an expert supervised field and up to 7 tons per hectare in the farmer supervised fields. Compare this to about 2.5 tons per hectare for our traditional rice seeds. Their contribution has almost tripled our productivity.